Hi, I'm Tess Pollitz, your local realtor, and welcome to Tessellation Talk, where we get to know more about our local businesses in the San Ramon area. I'm a realtor, and welcome to Tessellation Talk. I'm standing in front of JewelSmiths, right here in the corner of Crow Canyon and San Ramon Valley Boulevard. Let's go ahead and meet the owner. Hi, I'm Tess Pollitz, and I'm here with Jon Harrison at JewelSmiths. Jon, thanks very much for joining us today. How are you?
Good, thank you. And thank you for the opportunity. I really appreciate it.
Of course, it's our pleasure. At Tessellation Talk, the whole idea is to connect the community together and have our viewers out there be aware of your business. I know, Jon, that you're third generation.
That's right.
Could you tell us a little bit about JewelSmith and how it all started?
Absolutely. So JewelSmiths is a jewelry design and service studio located in Diablo Plaza here in San Ramon. As you mentioned, I'm a third generation jeweler, so my father actually started this business in its current format about 32 years ago. We used to be located across town, and about 12 years ago we moved to this location. My family, though, has really been in the jewelry business for quite some time, and I've been very lucky to grow up in a jewelry store. So my grandfather actually was the one that helped us break into the business by actually buying an existing retail jewelry store many years ago.
Exciting. Wow, it's been with the family for a very long time. Maybe you can tell us a little bit about the different products and services you provide. I know you do a lot of custom design.
We do a ton of custom design, and that's really, I think, where we excel. We use a lot of really cool technology to make sure that we are delivering to our clients exactly what they expect. So at each step along the way, we are getting confirmation from them to proceed to the next step. So by doing this, we're making sure that we deliver exactly what we promise and what they expect. We also do a ton of restoration, and that's, I think, some of the most fulfilling work that we do. So taking something that is a cherished heirloom of somebody's that's been passed down 2 generations, and they want to continue to enjoy it. So how can we be good stewards of the craft to restore this piece so that they can continue to enjoy it?
That's wonderful. I remember you did that for our daughter. You restored something that she purchased years back from a vintage store, so she's very grateful about that, and you guys did an excellent job. Thank you for that. What would you say recently or over the last few years is like kind of when people come into the store, what is there anything in particular that they look for when they come into your store? A particular piece?
I think what's really interesting as of late is people's concern for diamonds that are conflict-free, recycled materials, people being more socially and ecologically conscious. And our industry really has taken great strides, I'd say, particularly in the last 15 to 20 years to meet those needs. So for example, when we make a custom piece here, we are using 100% recycled precious metals. Nothing is newly mined. Everything is 100% recycled. We also offer a wide variety of laboratory grown gemstones. So nearly any gemstone that you can imagine, precious gemstone, is available in a laboratory grown version. And diamonds, which of course sometimes are subject to concern about the origins, we can either provide a natural diamond that is mined in Canada, and we have all the documentation showing how it arrived here, or we can go with laboratory grown, which some of which now are actually made with renewable energy as well.
Wow. I was talking to you earlier about some of your favorite pieces, and can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah. I really don't have favorite pieces. I really enjoy engagement rings, but not a specific one. I just find that when you're working with a couple that's heading down the aisle, they have this really great infectious energy about them. You're on that good 1 year high when you get engaged, and I selfishly really enjoy.
That's pretty special.
Yeah,
I love that. Yeah, I mean that's the whole thing about being in the business you're in. You're part of the whole, from getting engaged down the road to anniversary.
Absolutely.
And their 10th, all the milestones, right?
That's one of the
To
things
see
I love actually about this business
Yeah.
is that it is very much a relationship-based business.
Exactly.
And one of the really cool things is that, like, since this is a family business, I have now clients that are grandchildren of clients that my parents served. So that's so cool. We have clients really like for 3 generations, hopefully 4th pretty soon. We're working on that.
That is incredible. No, I really, this is wonderful, Jon. We really appreciate you.
Oh, no, thank you.
And, if there's, anything else you'd like to share with our viewers, if you have anything, any special promotion, you have anything coming up? I know Valentine's Day is around the corner.
Valentine's Day is coming around the corner, and
Yeah.
unfortunately, as a man, I can say I know that we are terrible last-minute shoppers in that regard. But we do have you covered. So we do have a promotion on laboratory-grown stud diamond earrings. You can get an incredibly large, incredibly high-quality set, 2-carat total weight for about $2,000 these days. And they're absolute top shelf quality, colorless, VS clarity, comes with documentation. So we do have that for those gentlemen that are in a last minute pinch. And should you need any other service from us, you can always find us online at JewelSmiths.Co.
Wonderful. Thank you. And for those of you who are interested in being featured at Tessellation Talk, feel free to get in touch with me. And if any of you are in need of any real estate services, you'll see my number listed on the screen as well. Have a wonderful time, and I'll see you guys at the next episode of Tessellation Talk.